I'm going to show you a fantastic jewelry recycling hack using the Orion Micro Welder.
I have an antique ring here with sentimental value, but doesn't fit anymore, and I don't want to resize it because of the design. So first, find a jump ring that works to the right size to go over the ring and where you want it. First thing to do is to weld this closed. Make sure that the jump ring is touching. And because this is 20 gauge, I'm going to set it slightly higher wattage to 7.5. Okay, so I know for sure that it has taken, but always, as I say, check your work. Okay, so that is done. Excellent. And the other thing is, if there happens to be a bit of fire scale, despite the fact that you've used argon gas, it's okay. Simply use an eraser and take care of it. Okay, so, and what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and I'm going to measure now to make sure that it is the right size. Okay, is this a good size? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so I just need to remove a couple of links. So I find it always easier holding on to this. Let the chain drape. Okay, just rest down. Okay, now close, and although you're looking this way, always turn this way to make sure that when you're looking at this way, you can see if there's an overlap and you correct that first. Okay, now we're going to use this leather, protective leather. Okay, so now I'm ready. I'm going to ask her to look away, and then I'm going to fire. We'll do it again just in case, because this is a bit thicker. Okay, so, and then I go and check to make sure that it doesn't open. Perfect. So there we have it. And then I'm going to clean off just a bit. And that's done.
And this is what the finished product looks like. You can use the same method for earring or ring or any piece of jewelry that you want to salvage. I'm a wholesaler of chains and components for permanent bracelets as well as many other jewelry designs. I'm going to put a link below with my information and a little bit about the micro welder.